Photographic portraits. What are they? Well, they're visual representations of a person or a group of people, and the image has got to communicate a message or to tell a story through the subject's expression or pose, lighting, or even context. So to achieve this, communication between the photographer and the subject is absolutely crucial. And here are some reasons why communication is the key to photographic portraits. Obtaining consent. Now, before you take a photo, communicating with the subject and getting their consent is essential. It involves explaining the intended use of the photos, seeking their permission, and of course, making sure that they're comfortable with how the image is going to be used. Establishing trust. Building a rapport with your subject can create a relaxed and trusting environment, and that's going to put the subject at ease. It's going to allow the photographer to capture way more natural looking images, and it's going to reduce any awkwardness in front of the camera. Expressing personality. Now, a skilled photographer can draw out a personality from their subject by communicating with them effectively, and that is going to allow them to capture unique personal images that truly represent the subject, going beyond the surface level to show who they are. Now, communication can also help the photographer direct the subject on how to pose and express themselves in front of camera. The photographer can convey the mood they're trying to capture and thus provide guidance on where to look, on how to sit, on how to stand, and what expression they need to display. Good communication creates space for the subject and the photographer to work as a team. The subject can provide input on their personal preferences, and the photographer can offer suggestions for poses and camera angles that best suit their appearance. So in conclusion, communication in photographic portraits is essential for creating a suitable environment that can capture a subject's essence. By establishing trust, by obtaining consent, and expressing personality, directing the subject and promoting collaboration, the photographer can more effectively capture a message or a story that communicates beyond the image. Hey, I hope those tips have been useful, and thanks for watching.